Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how you can export G-code that you've created from your pre-designed scaffolds. So we're here in the scaffold tab at the bottom. We turn off this preview to see exactly what the G-code we made is. These 6 rectangular scaffolds that are evenly spaced so they would fit into the fixture, which is a visualization of what we have in the real world. The scaffold's up here. We want to check the G-code. Assuming it looks alright, we're going to right click and say Save As. So let's pull it up here. We're going to call it Random Test. In that file, and now we have this USB disk with the G-code. In case you're designing this on any other printer not directly connected to the printer you want to work with, this can be input to any other Hyrel printer or any printer that has a USB-A adapter, and you can print your scaffolds however you want. Glad to be of help.